From the sounds of waves touching the shore, from the winds that move across hills and mountains, the spirit of Vanuatu lives on. This day tells the story of a people who choose unity over division, peace over fear, and hope over hardship. Independence did not end on 30 July 1980. It continues in every effort, every dream, and every heart that believes. Today, we stand together as one people, one nation, celebrating our freedom. Halo halkeda, name me Rayline Vane, and me from Malekula, Malampa Province, Vanuatu. Me currently study Bachelor of Health Promotion, Law College of Medicine, Nursing and Health Science, Fiji National University. Me Independence Day, and more than just one public holiday celebration. And one day where me remind you about them identity, history, and sacrifice for people. And me also remind them, and me also represent them responsibility to knowledge and freedom where you came them today, and we win through the unity, courage, and sacrifice for people. The independence to 30 July 1980, and we mark one moment where country me and we took ownership of the future of him. Me also one student, Independence Day, and me making me feel proud and got purpose, knowing that me got a culture for me, identity me every single day more where bless me go. One little cultural values we like to share is custom. Custom and me foundation for Ni-Vanuatu people. Custom and me teaching people about them respect, humanity, sharing and harmony with them each other. And me also reminding people that people only live for all get self, but also for family, village and communities. And also me reminding me as a student that when me achieve on knowledge when me gain as me study, but not benefit myself, but also the people me back to Vanuatu. Vanuatu is a unique Pacific from a rich cultural diversity, but also a rare because of double independence. With them over 80 islands, more than 100 indigenous languages, and one almost cultural diverse nation in the world. One of the state of Vanuatu about most is that Emi came independence from 30 July 1980 from both Britain and France the same time, ending joint colonial rule under long Anglophone French condominium. Alongside custom, Emi continue blockading daily life, strengthening unity, identity, more resilient people of Vanuatu. Independent history inspire me as one young person. Let me take responsibility, me strive for excellence. Achieving double independence to 30 July 1980, and show him that unity and courage, and we saw overcome great challenge. Mommy motivated me as one student. Let me value education, prepare myself to save him country. Let me also honor and sacrifice to people who were only been fight, no save gain freedom. Young people only play important role to saving future for country Vanuatu. Only contribute through the education, leadership and service. Alongside only staff to preserve more all-employed custom more national values with them all using more new skills, ideas, for addressing development, more climate challenges. Youth only help to build one strong unity, more resilient Vanuatu. Message we like to share with the Yimile Independence Day is that we stand together as one people and one nation, proud of who we are and where we come from. And may we always continue to all tight custom and national values. Happy 46th Independence Day Vanuatu. May we always make a Vanuatu contact all time, strong, more proud of him.